Okay, so for today we're going to be talking about adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation is the evolutionary divergence of members of a single lineage into a variety of different adaptive forms. Usually adaptive forms differ in their use of resources or habitats. Divergence occurs in a relatively short interval of geological time. With adaptive radiation, speciation occurs as a single ancestral species evolves in response to their selective pressures and adapt to their environment in different ways. Starting with a recent single ancestor, this process results in speciation and phenotypic adaptation of a species that exhibit different morphological and physiological traits. A single species may diverge into a number of distinct species. The differences between them are those adaptive to a distinct lifestyle or niche. A classical example is Darwin's finches of the Galapagos Island chains. Charles Darwin studied finches from the Galapagos Islands and discovered that over a short period of time, a single species of finch underwent adaptive radiation. This adaptation resulted in 13 separate species of finches. Adaptations found in finches were able to minimize competition between birds, therefore enabling each emerging species to become firmly established in its own environmental niche. Adaptations may have been due to what was found in their environment. Depending on food resources available, the finch's beak would have changed in depth, length, or width. So, how does adaptive radiation help account for a diversity of life on Earth? Adaptive radiation creates many new species out of a single species in a relatively short period of time. If all speciation took place by creating one or two species from a parent species, we would not expect to see the number of diversified species that we do today. So that concludes our mini lesson on adaptive radiation. Thank you all for watching.